like me so bad. Reefers part like this sometimes because our reefers is real loud. I don't know if I say it right, but our trailers are loud. And you know, it's kind of out of respect to another drivers. You see how they park because they ain't got one. Out of respect to them. That's how we park. Sometimes. You ain't got to. You know, there's people that little season out here that you know to do that sometimes. Yep, I need some steering fluid. Got to get gassed up. This blog 6. Just got my tire changed. See, he ain't seasoned. Or it's probably off. Anyway. Got my tire changed. Got the gas up and start heading to Cleveland. It's a long trip. I'm going through like 6 or 7 states. I might be tweaking. It might only be like 4 or 5, but it's more than 3. Get gassed up real fast. It's tight. Why didn't it make it like this? But I'm in there though. I'll show you in a couple.
My daughter talent show today, but it's all good because we got a bigger plan. She the one in the black. I don't plan on being out here. I might get home by summertime to transition over to a new situation, or things go bad, then I'll stay out here for a year, but I'll be home before she get to middle school, where she started 5th grade August, so that's the plan, just running up for right now to better days.
Been driving all night. I ain't gonna lie, I stopped for like 4 hours, went to sleep. I was at like 20 hours, now I was at 18 hours when I started, when I went to sleep. When I went to sleep, I was at 9. So got back up and started back driving. We're gonna go through St. Louis right now. Keep it a buck. I'm gonna start getting out the truck. I gotta wait till I get some bread. I'll be like on the games. Look at this, be that dumbass. Be that dumb stuff. I'm gonna start going to games and all that stuff. Like, you'll see if you watch the vlogs or whatever. We're gonna go through St. Louis. I'm gonna probably do a voiceover when we downtown St. Louis. Why break if you just went all the way over there? Like, you could just, it's crazy. But yeah, I'm gonna be wearing a jersey wherever state I am. I'm gonna get a jersey, a hat, jacket maybe, depending on the weather. Like, yeah, I'm gonna step out this time. I usually step out because, man, world crazy. I don't know. I really don't have a real excuse why I never stepped out, because there ain't nothing to just go and get a ticket to the game. You ain't even gotta get no jersey, no. You just go to a game or event or something. I don't know. I think I was just being lazy and in my shell, but now I'm doing YouTube. I know I gotta get content, so I'm gonna go everywhere for real. Any state, like they got a sporting event, I'm just be there by myself. really stopped because the engine light came back on. It went off for a couple of days, but I know these Freightliners, they like, if I had to explain trucks to people, what would Freightliner be? Freightliner be something not cheap, but everybody got. I want to say a Chevy. It'd be a little under a Chevy. I think Ford. It'd be a Ford. And then I would say like a Pete would be like a Dodge, and a Kenworth would be like a Chevy. A Freightliner would be like a Ford. So like if the engine, basically I'm saying the engine light come on, it could probably be nothing sensitive, something simple. But we finna see. I doubt if it cut off. I was just really trying to see something. Yeah, see, it ain't gonna cut off. Yeah, let's just hope it ain't nothing. Like I said, I'm showing y'all the good, the bad, and the ugly. This is just this could be considered ugly and bad. You never know with that. Like I said in the last video, the ugly is like missing 2 days for no reason, not getting paid. That's ugly. The bad is like a blown tire or possibly an engine light. That's gonna come. So yeah, that's gonna come with the game, the engine light. So yeah, that's just the bad. That ain't the ugly. I keep holding the camera the wrong way. Lord, I can't wait to get home. I'm gonna get the little speaker that go on. You look to my voice. You can hear me more while I'm driving. I ain't know my voice sounds so weird until I start recording. I got the weirdest voice ever. But I'm gonna get me a camera. I got the thing to hold the camera. So that's how we in Illinois. Yeah, we got out of Missouri. We in Illinois. So yeah. So sick of being a mechanic. Right. I'm talking about. And they're good. I could fix that though. I could fix that. I'm finna go there and get that little plug-in kit. I'm finna try to fix this. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I'm finna try to fix this myself. Yeah, I'm gonna have to put air in. Man. I'm sick of being a mechanic. One of those days when a girl goes through. I just wanna be all alone. Hold up, birds. Them days. Yeah, I'm tired. I'm tired, about to go. Late for my appointment. Just fixed the door, so crazy shit. Engine light on. I ain't got no air pressure. Whew. It's like a little W. 900. They call them King Kenworths. And the Kings on the road right there. You see them get out the way. That's everybody's favorite right there, Pete. You get anybody work for you, get one of these. Anybody come work for you. But them the King Kenworths, W900. Basically, these are fastest ones. So these would be like Chevys. Nah, I would call these Chevys, but people might call them Dodge. But like these sell more. Well, Dodge just came up off the Chargers and the Challengers like that. But before, you know, Chevy was selling everything. Chevy still might be selling everything, but these pieces, everybody want these pieces. But if you got one of these, you know what you got. These two are the same. It's different grills, but they're the same. Kenworth, Peterbilt. You get one of them, you get one of these to work for you. Excuse me, sir. Is this 24 hours? Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
These couple doors right there.
Okay, thank you. Outside of Akron. You loaded some milk going to Louisiana, BatonRouge, Louisiana at that. Man, I think I'm in the right program, man. These boys are pulling up in some nice. Nice. Where we hauling all the way to BatonRouge, Louisiana. day. I normally break down where I don't even make it to the shop, so this is a blessing. I swear to God, I break down where there ain't no shop, man. Just, it's out of luck, but not the last 2 times. I can't complain.
Use the right 2 lanes to keep right onto I-71 South toward Louisville. Keep right. In about 20 miles, take exit 173 on the right onto I-71 South toward Louisville.